Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing really well. If you're new, hello, my name is Sandra. Welcome to today's video that is about styling one piece for several different occasions, mainly for 5 occasions, but in several different outfits. I think I put together 9 or 10 outfits. So the aim of these videos is to show you the variety of looks that you can create with just one single piece. This way, get the most out of your wardrobe and all of your pieces. And what I will do is dress this skirt up and down, day and night, and in this case it's going to be all about the white midi skirt that is now having a spotlight moment in the fashion world. I think it's definitely one of those pieces, as you will be able to see in the video, that you can really change from very casual to pretty dressy. So, whether you have this skirt or any similar white midi skirt in your wardrobe, let's see how you can style this midi skirt, like covering all bases for all occasions. So let's begin with outfit number 1. Okay, for this first one, I wanted to do a relaxed summer's day look, and this is for me a perfect smart casual daytime look, maybe for if you're going shopping or out for lunch. It's a classic look, if there's ever was one. And so start off with a classic striped tee, a staple that should be in every woman's wardrobe, and for footwear opt for comfortable sandals that are easy to walk and give a relaxed vibe to the ensemble. When it comes to accessories, keep it simple and timeless with pearl earrings and a necklace that had a touch of sophistication and class to the outfit. A straw bag is the perfect finishing touch to this outfit, as it has a rustic feel that perfectly complements the breezy summer look. This outfit is so versatile and it can easily be styled up or styled down, depending on your occasion. You can add a denim jacket or a blazer on top for a more polished look, and swap out the sandals for heels to take it from daytime to evening, office and beyond. The possibilities are endless with this ageless and classic summer outfit. So let's do now outfit number 2. I just love a striped button-up shirt, as you probably already know, and they are for me a timeless piece. I have many renditions of a striped shirt because I do get so much wear out of them, and they never go out of style. They're a timeless piece. This one is hauled from Mango, but I'll try to find similar versions and leave all the links in the description box. It's a great striped shirt. It's one of those basics that I keep digging out and trying always to reinvent. It looks great with a white midi skirt. It feels quite relaxed, but a shirt kind of strikes up this really nice balance between casual and a bit more formal and structured. I've gone for my nude Cezanne sandals, true to size if you are interested in, and they are just kind of go with everything. I finish it off with my new raffia basket bag from Cezanne with also 10 details that just kind of ties in the browns of the sandals and also of the sunglasses. White, blue and tan accessories just work really well together. In summer, and especially in those very hot summer days, we cannot use layers to add more interest to our outfits. That's why accessories play a huge role and give it a little bit of that extra something, making it feel smarter and put together. So let's do outfit number 3, and I wanted to go straight into an extreme here and do a bit more of an evening look, something more chic and elevated, and I just wanted to do that from these 2 previous more casual outfits, just to show you that if you've got these core pieces in your wardrobe, you can really make them work for so many different occasions just by changing a few simple details. So for this outfit, I've actually paired it with this Zara knitted vest in linen and viscose. It's new in stores right now. And the beauty of this and all of my styling videos really is that you can very easily interchange the tops and the styling pieces to change the overall look. You could go for a black vest like I did here, or even a tank top, a nice bodysuit, every kind of blouse that you have with some special detail, like sequins for instance, if you like some metallics, would actually work really nicely here too. So in this case I think the cream makes for a monochromatic look, and in summer evenings an all white outfit looks really good. For shoes, I went for a pair of flat gold sandals because I just love being comfortable, but you could swap them off for a heel sandal in white or a nude. And to finish it off, you can add some great earrings and go for a red lipstick. Also, wearing a clutch just feels a little bit more dressy and elevated. So, we've done our evening look. Let's go straight into workwear. Not so funny. So, it's Monday morning, we're ready to start our week, and you can definitely style this midi skirt for work. It's a wide midi pleated skirt. It just styles nicely with everything. It's like this midi lens. It does lend itself to workwear as well. So you could kind of dress it up and make it a bit smarter with some pieces, like I did with my striped black and white button-up shirt. A button-up shirt is a way of elevating this skirt style to more workwear if you don't want to wear a blazer because the weather where you live is too hot for a blazer. Then I went for a pair of slingbacks that cover my toes, and so I think more appropriate for the office, and I finish it off with a tote bag. Now let's imagine you woke up and even if it's summer, the weather has changed. The sky is full of clouds and it's a little bit chill. Just great, as I can pop up my merino Betty cardigan from Cezanne over a tank top. In this outfit I went for a white cotton tank top and my cardigan with ecru and navy stripes. To jazz it up, I chose to wear my red ballerinas with this pearl detail that plays with the other whites in the outfit. I love red, and it's a color that is really on trend despite being a classic color. But you could go for any other color you like. Any cream shades will make for a tonal outfit, and as I always say and do, because you know I love monochromatic outfits, wearing head to toe tonal or lighter colored outfits instantly feels smarter. To match my shoes, my Lancaster red handbag fits everything I need on a daily basis. For outfit number 5, I wanted to transition into this kind of a smart casual summer day. And I think this one is a really easy one to put together. I've gone for this brown t-shirt with shoulder pads that is a way to dress this skirt down. It's in cotton, it's a t-shirt, and these shoulder pads will enlarge my shoulders. Rather than a pair of sandals, I went for some sneakers. They're comfortable and they can also be styled with this kind of midi skirts. The sneakers give it that real relaxed feeling, as does the raffia bag. My Cezanne basket bag again just tones it right down, and notice that I added here a red scarf to kind of tie with my Adidas sneakers that also have these burgundy dark red stripes. So think about how you can utilize your accessories and complements to change the tone of your skirt, because I think traditionally a lot of people would think this style of skirt is quite formal looking, but really think about how you can play with textures, with fabrics, with shoes, with complements and all accessories you have to tone the outfit right down. As you see, you can definitely style down a formal skirt. Let's do outfit number 6, and I wanted to do here an outfit for your next holidays, especially an evening outfit. just to kind of maximize your wear from this skirt and really show its versatility. I think it's really important that you have in your wardrobe these pieces that you can rely on, because sometimes and many times we think we are going on holidays, we have to go and do a lot of shopping, but it's not true. So if you think of these core pieces, these base pieces that are staples in your wardrobe and that you can transition to workwear for your summer city outfits, casual outfits, and even to bring with you in your next holidays and wear it for an evening soiree. So let's see how you can kind of add a holiday twist to this formal skirt. So in this case I paired the skirt with this white top to kind of look like a dress. These kind of longer pleated skirts for evening on holidays just feel so loose, and it has that real kind of holiday summery feel about it. I've gone for my Cezanne gold belt and sandals, and I think that using those metallic accessories really pull the outfit towards that holiday feel. To give a little bit of contrast, I opted for this green raffia clutch. It's very old. I think all of these metallics together in my sandals and in my belt just give it that lift and bring it into a bit more of a summery feel. If you kind of want to do this outfit for the city, I think you could do the top and the skirt and maybe swap the gold sandals for a pair of either black or nude or even white sandals, just to kind of keep it feeling less holiday-like. Also, you could swap the gold belt for a thin black one. So I think I built 6 outfits that with some variations resulted in 9 outfits, plus this one that I'm wearing right now. I will insert this outfit here now in the cutaway so that you can have the complete look and see that I opted to wear a pair of red ballerinas to match my red top and this cropped blazer. This blazer is from Mango, but it's very old, more than 10 years ago. I went for this pearl necklace that matches the pearl in my ballerinas. So if anything, I hope this video has given you some inspiration that make you look at your wardrobe in a slightly different way. It's not all about buying new pieces all of the time, but instead reinventing these pieces that we have in our wardrobes. Definitely think about all these styling options that we can make with just one basic piece. If you have any other specific basic piece that you want me to style, please let me know. I will be happy to do so. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you so much if you already have subscribed to my channel, for all your lovely comments, and I will be so happy to see you again in my next video. Bye bye!